I got the B90.
Yo,
Does anybody want the B90?
yo, I'll give you 1 million for that, bro. What the hell?
I got the BMW B90. Anybody want that?
I need a photo BMW.
Huh?
Hey, you want to go that Charger too? Appreciate you, gang.
Yeah, you owe me one day.
Add me up. Let me delete somebody. Wait. You got any boomers for sale?
Yo,
That's what I just told you I got, bro.
All right, let me see what you got. Go to hell, twin.
Let me buy that Cadillac.
I just bought that whole twin.
Y'all always want to sell. Man, let me
Come
get the
and be with
caddy.
me.
I had a homie a real one right now. He got some, I think he got some more for sale. Hey,
Hey, Ripper. Yo, you race. You're right. It is. I need to. I like all your TikToks. Eat.
That's all I got right now. There's a boomer.
how much you want for that?
Shit.
What's recommending, gang? Oh, what's up with the truck? Y'all niggas be playing. Now, how
5
much you
mil.
want for this car right here, though? What, the truck or the car? Which one?
The car right there.
Anyone looking for a Mustang?
I'm looking for old school, the boomers.
It's good to see. It's
How
serious.
much for this Mustang?
Looking by the
Look.
Escalade. You got an Escalade for sale, twin?
What is that?
You got an Escalade or a Cadillac, like the newer Cadillac?
Nah.
Appreciate
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, gang. Do you got the other 4-door car or any more cars for sale?
I do. I have the bomber E30. I think. Let me see.
Oh, yeah, let me see that. Get in, twin. I'll drive to the P.
Yeah, E30.
Is it the 4-door?
2 doors.
Damn, I think I got 2 of them bitches.
Hello?
Landon, I'm not going up to military. I gotta get off.
Hold on. Oh. Stop the car. Fuck them niggas. Stop the car, bro.
Yeah, that's the ops. My bad.
T.
I'm gonna drop. Damn. You said you got other cars for sale. Do you got any like SUVs? Like,
I have another E30 though. Like I have another BMW if you want that. It's different.
pull it out by the P right here again.
Copy. B50.
Oh yes, let me get that hoe. How much you want for that one? I've been looking for that one, gang.
Yo, talk to me nice. I'm not even gonna give you a price. Just pull me up. Let me
6
see.
mil, bro. I got you off tops if you could do it, or if you could do it for the lowest.
6 mil. I do it.
All right, let's get it.
so 빨리 뱃속에 and then I see
You're what?
A lot of y'all gonna be mad
Well,
when
I'll
I get
pound
back
the
to
coke.
Millie, man. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, when I get to Millie, the truck gone.
Which one?
I didn't find your sweater on that.
That's like,
You asked for your essentials. That's at the llama.
have you seen that Suburban on here?
Nah.
Yeah, let me know if you come across the SUV, the Suburban.
Okay, I got you. I got you.
Yeah.
Wait, you say
Yeah,
you need
yeah,
a Suburban?
Yeah, it's a Suburban. It's the old school truck, the photo.
Yeah, I
Yeah, you
actually want one for day-to-day drive. I ain't gonna lie.
but you already got rid of it.
I don't got one.
Ah, shit. Hey, I'm trying to
Shut up,
find
bud.
that Cadillac truck. If somebody
Sorry.
would do like what
See,
seven mil for the
just
Cadillac truck.
Hmm. I mean, you might find it
Yeah, I'm gonna find it somewhere.
for sure.
All right,
Drop,
y'all stay dangerous, son.
drop me up, IP.
Yo, Vontae, you still want the truck?
The Escalade.
The BMW.
Oh yeah, how much you trying to get rid of that hoe for?
Yeah, you remember we want to swap cars?
A bar. The password goodbye.
Which one was you trying to swap for?
But
The
that's
truck,
all
yeah.
back. Oh, the fatal puppy. Say by the
Damn,
thing
I
of
ain't gonna
the
count.
castle.
Somebody had came with like, damn, they came with like a good price for that hoe.
Eso es papo.
Yo, Jack, you know about his torch?
Yeah, be smooth, my G.
You gonna buy a car for me?